In the previous video, we spoke about HTML and CSS being the basics of what you need to learn. Unfortunately, they are relatively easy to learn. There are many places you can learn this, but I remember that html.net was where I learned it from many years back. I remember that I was glued to the screen an entire day, and it was almost enough to get a hang of the basics of HTML and CSS. As you can see on their website, you can either learn HTML5 or regular HTML. Because you're just starting out, I suggest you just learn HTML, because HTML5 is still very fresh and you can easily get very complicated very fast. Also, I think these images are good illustrations of the correlation between HTML and CSS. HTML is the building blocks of your website, and CSS adds a layer of design to it. The idea here is that you get a hang of the basics. You don't have to be a designer. The truth is that if you're not a graphical designer, you probably won't be designing your own websites in the future. You will either have a designer do it for you, or you will do like I do and buy a cheap but beautiful template for $15 and then alter it to fit your needs. That really is the key. You just have to know enough to be able to customize a design. Having said that, it could be good for you if you start out by trying to create an entire design from scratch, purely for educational purposes. So have a go at this, and I will see you in the next video.